to myself, I didn't want you around. Those pretty faces always made you stand out in a crowd. When someone picked you from the bunch, one glance is all it